Now, I think we all know physical activity is important for your health, but what you might not know is that it's important to recover after exercising. SSM Health family medicine physician and wellness coach, Dr. Roopa Shah explains what to do in between those workouts. Now, let's start with this, Dr. Shah. How many days a week should people exercise? Because you hear all different sorts of numbers out there.
Yeah, so the recommendations for exercise are 150 minutes per week. So that comes out to about 2.5 hours. I personally think it's good to spread that out over 3 to 4 days and taking maybe 2 to 3 days a week to take a break and to recover, right? You don't want to exercise so extensively that you don't give your muscles and your body a break.
Yeah, you don't want to push it too far. Now, on those rest days, like you mentioned, can people still do something physical, and is that something you recommend?
Absolutely. So I would recommend on the days that you're not doing the intense workouts to do what we call active recovery. So this doesn't mean doing nothing. It doesn't mean just sitting on the couch and laying around. You can go for a walk, you can do some yoga, you can do some light jogging, some stretching. So you definitely want to keep up some sort of activity that's putting a little bit of stress on your muscles, but not so intense as your regular workouts.
Right, yeah. Now, is there anything else that we can do to help with recovery?
Yeah, so one of the things that I really like to do in between is a lot more stretching. The older we get, just as important as doing the aerobic and the strength building exercise is stretching for recovery. Also, a lot of foam rolling can be useful. And then just making sure we're keeping up with our nutrition and our hydration and our sleep. Those are just as important to support your exercise routine as everything else is.
Right, you kind of need that balance of everything all at once.
Yep.
Good to know. All right, Dr. Shah, where else can people find you?
So they can find me on Instagram at Wellness with Dr. Shah.
All right, thank you as always.
Thank you.